Yes, boss.
喂，作叔，捱過分工搞掂咗未有啊？
但係我而家係
啊，仲未搞掂啊？我唔理啊，你試試都幫我搞掂下，拜。
OK。I think you guessed it right. So today, I'm going to talk about the HUAWEI MateBook D15, which sold on the sales day last month. So, what's so special about it? Let's check it out. So guys, I'm in Minecraft. Welcome back, and now we're in the studio. With me here is the HUAWEI MateBook D15. So now let's take a look at the design. The design of the HUAWEI MateBook D15 is covered with a uni aluminium body, which comes with a 15.6-inch full-wheel display and three-sided 5.3mm frame, which comes with a 1920x1080 resolutions. And the whole laptop, it only weighs at 1.53 kg, which is similar to a 2-liter bottle. As for the ports, it has a 1 USB 3.0 port, 2 USB A 2.0 and 1 USB-C port, 1 HDMI and also 1 3.5mm headphone jack. As for the fingerprint, it is situated together with the power button. So after looking into the ports and design, now let's look into the tech spec. The HUAWEI MateBook D15 comes with a dual channel memory, which means it has 2 memory storage in it, which you get one 1TB HDD storage and also one 256GB of SSD in it. This will increase a 50% of the read and write speed. As for the processor, it's equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 3500U, a Radeon Vega 8 graphic card, and an 8GB DDR4 RAM. And if you're those hardcore users where you need to on your laptop 24/7, don't worry about your laptop getting overheated, because this laptop comes with the SharkFin 2.0 cooling system, which I felt it done pretty well in keeping the heat away. So aside from design and the tech spec, there's 2 unique features about this laptop that gain my attention, which is the hidden webcam. If you notice, there's no one little dot on the screen frame, and guess where is the webcam hidden? The webcam is hidden between the F6 and the F7 button. Here it is. You press it, it will automatically pop up, and once you press it again, it will automatically pop back down, keeping your webcam safe and covered. But the only downside of the webcam design will be the camera angle that shows from the bottom of your face, which somehow makes your face a little bit rounder and weirder. Well, that probably can be solved with putting your chin up while having your video call. So enough with my bad joke. Now let's talk about the second unique point of this laptop that I like about, which is the multi-screen collaboration. What does that mean? This means that you can just share your screen from your mobile to the desktop in just one tap on the HUAWEI share icon there, and you can control your mobile screen on your desktop. And also you can do the drag and drop function from mobile screen to the desktop. You can drag and drop all your pictures, your file, everything with just one click. So after all that, you're probably thinking, how good is the battery life for this laptop? After several weeks of using this laptop on writing articles and editing a little bit of photos on Photoshop, it gives me a 5-hour plus of battery usage on a single charge. And talking about charging this laptop uses a USB-C charger, and this is the portable charger of it. And this charger supports up to a 65-watt maximum output and also a minimum of 10-watt output, which you can use it to charge your smartphone as well. So lastly, the price. This laptop comes with the price of 2,499 ringgit. Overall, I feel that this laptop is really worth the price if you're looking for a business laptop or a student laptop that keeps your work around. So I think that's all for today. As usual, remember to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and also click the bell icon for the latest updates. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.